In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get rid of Snapchat device ban. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you believe your device was wrongfully banned from Snapchat and you want to attempt to get rid of your Snapchat device ban, your best bet is to use the Snapchat Help Support Center. So on your computer, or you can also do this on your phone, open up a web browser and go to help.snapchat.com. As you can see, this is the official Snapchat support page, and you can also look for this page in Google. Just search for Snapchat support and access the first page from the official support website. In here, select the My Account is Compromised option, and you should automatically be redirected to the request page where you are able to contact Snapchat and detail the issue you are having. Select whichever option mostly applies to the problem you are having with the device ban and fill out the form containing your username, email, phone number, and describe your issue in full detail in order for Snapchat to contact and help you properly to get your account unbanned. I hope I was able to help you on how to get rid of Snapchat device ban. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.